Well, maybe I'm not all right. It's in fucking neutral, so when I try to pick it up, it starts rolling down the fucking hill. I can't get on the high side and the low side.
Hold up, hold up. Hold on, let me put this down. I dented the shit out of that camera. It's done. Oh. Yeah.
What the fuck?
You gotta be careful going down through here. It's very slippery.
Yeah, no shit.
I went that way through them trees. Around there, kick back.
Yeah.
But maybe it's better to go straight down.
You think?
I don't know. Looks like it.
You're like, I don't know. It's pretty fucked no matter what.
I dented it there and there.
Would you hit something?